Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to remove a Ford Focus wheel. First, ensure your vehicle is on a level, firm surface and the parking brake is fully engaged. This provides a safe foundation for your work. Next, use a lug wrench to slightly loosen each lug nut. Turn them about 1/2 turn counterclockwise while the wheel is still on the ground. This makes them easier to remove once the car is lifted. Now, it's time to safely lift your Ford Focus. Consult your owner's manual to find the precise jacking points, typically located near the wheels. Position your jack securely under one of these points. As you raise the vehicle, ensure it remains stable. Once the tire is fully clear of the ground, place a jack stand nearby for extra support, even if you're only working for a short time. With the car safely lifted, you can now fully remove the lug nuts. Since you've already loosened them, they should come off easily by hand. Place them in a small container or a clean cloth so they don't roll away. Once all the lug nuts are off, firmly grasp the wheel with both hands. You might need to give it a gentle wiggle or a slight pull to free it from the hub. Once the wheel is loose, carefully pull it straight off the hub assembly. It should slide off without much resistance. Now is a great time to quickly inspect your brake components and the condition of your tire. Before putting a wheel back on, consider cleaning any rust or debris from the hub surface. This ensures a flush fit and prevents future issues. You've successfully removed your Ford Focus wheel.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.